Opening tool. So we got this in, we got everything adjusted, and
we still need to put.
No, we still got to put that guy in. But
yeah.
Shut this thing for me. So now we've got pretty good lines. Pretty happy with that. So we're gonna go with that. That's way the hell better than it's ever been and probably ever will be. So we're gonna leave that. So trunk lid is done. Now tomorrow we'll have to weld these up, do the body work here, finish the body work on the side and whatnot, but we're really getting close. Our goal is tomorrow to prime, to get the body work done. Literally it's done as it's gonna get. And spot prime, so hit this, not the whole car. You fix the dent up there and just basically get this thing ready to go, and then Monday morning we'll come out here, scuff up everything we primed, and then or wet sand it, block it, whatever, and then we're gonna pull the doors, we're gonna pull the trunk lid, and start thinking about painting this thing. So probably painting Tuesday is kind of the idea. All right, sorry about that, guys. Camera battery died, but I came inside. I figured while I was here, I'd show you this. You guys watched me earlier build this gauge cluster. I'm just thrilled with it. I think it turned out fantastic. We got all the other parts here ready to go. I don't know if I showed you this or not, but I went ahead and refurbished all the arms and all the things and redid the glove box door. It's ready to go. Steering column. Let me show you this. God, doesn't that look good? That's original gauges, guys. That's incredible. Just new glass, seals, and chrome bezels. That's what went in there. Now Don did order some things so that we're on the same page. There's a trim piece that goes around here. It's like a stainless or polished trim piece that goes around. He ordered me a new one of those. And then he also ordered the 9 light bulbs that go in all these holes. Because I painted ours. They're now turquoise. So, yeah. So those are coming. Ron got the, he was working on this yesterday, I think, but I didn't show you guys. But he's getting the steering column figured out. So we're getting that going. So lots of things happening here. Really, really proud of that gauge cluster. It turned out amazing. Cleaned up the house today. Got a lot of, all of Don's parts are now in other places, and so yeah, so long story short, this is what we got done today. Just a whole lot of work. We really battled the temperature. You got to be at least somewhat warm to, you know, do the Bondo and all that kind of stuff and spot filler, and you know, we struggled to stay at 70 today. So one of those things. Tomorrow we're going to come out here probably 6:30 and put the heaters in here and just heat this thing up and get it ready and not have that problem. But there's your daily Volkswagen thing content, your 40 Ford content, looking all sexy out there. But guys, I'm gonna stop talking and start breaking this paint booth down and getting it rolled up. There's a lot of work left to do and we're running out of daylight. So thanks for watching Brown's Rod and Custom. Really appreciate you guys. Please like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. We'd love to have you. And we are going to be right back on the 57 tomorrow morning, first thing. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching.